Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Code with Ashis. In today's session, we will start the C language. What is C language? All the basis of C language, and turn by one we will discuss fully. We'll cover the C language. Okay. First, let's see what is C language. Okay, C language is a middle-level procedure-oriented language developed by Dennis Ritchie in the year of 1972 in USA. Okay, why it is called middle-level? Because it is middle level because it supports high level and low level languages. Low level means machine level languages. Okay, let's see what is the syntax of C. Okay, let's see the syntax. This is the syntax of C. As you can see, hashtag include stdio.h, hashtag include conio.h. Okay, this is the header file. Okay, first of all, the hashtag include stdio, this is the header file. Okay, let's see the term by term. What is the meanings of this? Okay, hashtag is free processor directive, as I mentioned here. You can see. Okay, so and header file section, it is the header file section. stdio means standard input and output. Okay, it is the predefined function. Okay, so hashtag include conio.h, it's also predefined function. Okay, this is compulsory to write in every program as hashtag include stdio that h. Okay, so let's see what and why we use include. Okay, and what is the meaning of dot h? Let's see. Where a dot is means it's a header file, and we have to link the header file with the predecessor directive, so the statement includes is used. Okay, and let in conio, conio means console input and output. If you want to operate anything in the output screen, in the console screen, you have to include hashtag include dot h. Okay, we have discussed this thing. And then void main. Okay, main is a function and void means it will not return any value. Okay, void does not return anything, and main is a function. Okay, whatever the code within the statement will be executed in this body part. Whatever code uh, in this curly braces will be executed. This is the body parts. Okay, and in C language, some important thing is we use printf for output and scanf for input. Okay, first question arises, where to use, how to use. Okay, for the user, for writing the C programming, we have to use what? Turbo C++ or Dev C++. Okay, let's see here we will use Turbo C++. Let's see how to download. And first of all, you go to the Google and search Turbo C download, and from the download links you can download it. And I have given in the description box, you can check it and you can download from there. Okay, let's see from the terminology before proceeding to the programming. And before, without knowing, you will feel some confusion in the word C programming language. Okay, first let's see in the Turbo C++. If you enter alt plus enter, maximize, you can maximize the whole screen. Okay, and if you press F5, you can maximize the program screen. There will be a blue color program screen, you can maximize that screen. Okay, and if you enter alt X, you can quit the whole program or whole. Okay, whole program. F3, okay, if you enter F3, you can save the program. And if you can enter F2, you can open any program, you can open any saved program. Okay, alt F4, if you can enter alt F4, you can check any error before what before output. Okay, if you enter control plus F9, you can proceed for output. And alt, you can enter alt F3 for close multiple program screen. As you can see in the programming screen, there are so many multiple screen. If you want to close any screen, okay, you can enter alt plus F3. Okay, I missed one thing, that use of CLR SCR and get CH. You can use CL, you must use CLR SCR for the clear the previous output screen. Okay, and you can use get ch for whole the output screen. And without get ch, you can get any output. You can see in the um, practical section. Okay, without get ch, you first check whether what is coming in the output. Okay, and when your dot h is a predefined function also, and printf scanf also is stdi.h predefined function. Okay, all the basis of C language is completed. Let's begin our first C program in the video program in the practical lab. Let's see.
Before writing the program, you have to create one file. Go to the file and open section and create a file name. Okay, that is hello.c. You have to compulsory to write .c. Okay, create hello.c, and for the maximize of the screen use F5. And first of all you write hashtag include stdio.h and hashtag include conio.h. So hashtag include conio.h. Okay, hashtag include stdio is compulsory to write. You have to write in every program. Okay, so next you have to write down the main function void main within parenthesis and open brace, and then you have to write your code. First of all, let's say we will print hello world printf parenthesis within hello world and use the terminator. Okay, then you can use the get change for the whole the screen and close the curly braces, and control F, press the control F9 for the output screen. Okay, I have not cleared the previous screen, so I missed one thing, that clear screen you use that clr scr for clear the previous screen. Okay, clr scr. Okay, write down and then you control F9 press, then see, this is the output hello world. This is our first program, and don't worry, we will proceed for one by one. We will see each and every term. Okay, so thank you for watching, and like, share, subscribe my channel.